fresh vegetables, but sometimes we also use frozen vegetables. And here are the tips on how we're going to cook the frozen vegetables. Do you know that the frozen vegetables are already pre-cooked? So, naluto na siya. Kaya, hindi na natin kailangan pang lutuin ng gusto dahil overcook. And it is also has salt. So, wag mo na masyadong lagyan din ng. How about how to cook the canned vegetables? Just like the frozen vegetable, it is also pre-cooked. So, hindi mo na kailangang pakuluin ito bago ito maluto. Hindi kagaya ng fresh, di ba? At para ma-enhance ang lasa nito, lagyan